All right, welcome back. So let's get into topics 1.1 and 1.2 in chapter 1. So the very first thing, it starts off in the chapter really defining accounting, right? That's the class we're in. We want to know this definition. So accounting is simply a system that organizes, records, and reports. Financial information about an organization to interested users. Okay. I take the time to write these notes because I'm hoping you're following along doing the same thing. Studies have shown that when individuals write notes down as opposed to like taking pictures or typing them, the learning retention is better short-term and long-term. So I'm hoping that's what we're doing, and that's why these videos are meant to facilitate that. All right, back to our definition. So accounting is a system that's going to organize, record, and report the financial information of an organization. It can be any organization, right? Nonprofit, for-profit, a merchant company, service company, of that organization to interested users. And we're going to talk about all of these components throughout the semester. We're going to talk about the rules that make up the system. We're going to talk about how to organize, how to appropriately record, and on how we report these, what those financial statements are, okay? But the first part of chapter 1 really focuses on the interested users. Who is really interested in the financial information of a company? And obviously we can think of quite a few right away. What we do in accounting though is we separate those interested users into two broad categories. We say there are people outside of the company that are interested in the accounting information, and we call those external users. And there are people inside of the company interested in the company's financial information, and we call those internal users, right? So as the name suggests, those outside the company and inside the company. The reason we have to separate the two users into these groups is there are different branches of accounting that deal with each type of user. So the branch of accounting that deals with external user needs is called financial accounting. The accounting that deals with internal user needs is called managerial accounting. Okay, we're of course in a financial accounting class, so that's going to be the type of users that we concentrate on this semester. When we talk about external users, again, it's anyone outside of the company, and there's generally two main categories of users, and that is investors, right? Those that buy stock in the company. So think of the public, shareholders, investors, even potential investors. And then the second largest external user category is creditors. Those companies or individuals that are lending money to this particular organization. Okay, so banks, lenders, things like that. And then there's a bunch of other types of external users, and you can read through your book to get examples of that. Okay, managerial accounting, we're going to focus on that in a separate semester. So for now, just know that managerial accounting serves the needs of internal users. Those are individuals inside of a company. So basically anyone that is employed by the company is considered an internal user. So if you see a job title, that's usually an example of an internal user. I'm going to go ahead and have a practice exercise. So give it a whirl. There'll be a practice exercise posted where you can just review who would be considered an internal user versus an external user. All right, see you in the next video.